You can see your living is very spacious. We have your kitchen space where you will be getting granite kitchen platform. This over here is the space of your master bedroom where you... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Elegant Residency by Elegant Builders and Developers located in Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other consulting platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.62 acres that will have a standalone tower of ground plus 17 story, having 2 BHK residences. Also, 2+2 Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has podium and rooftop level with swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, yoga zone, business lounge area, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Old Nagardas Road, Mograpada, Andheri East, from where Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Mogra Metro is only at a distance of 5 minutes, Andheri Railway Station is only at a distance of 10 minutes, Andheri Metro is only at a distance of 10 minutes, and you have International Airport only at a distance of 20 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 2 BHK of the residential project Elegant Residences. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 675 square feet. As you can see, we are standing inside the sample flat, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious. To customize your TV unit, place your sofas and center tables. Also in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a railing provided. Also, you will be getting 2.5 feet chhajja provided attached to your living. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, over here we have your kitchen space where you will be getting granite kitchen platform. Along with the stainless steel sink, you can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can also see you have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine. You will also be getting ventilation windows in the kitchen. Moving forward, this over here is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Besides, your common washroom is your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place a king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes. You will be getting vitrified tiles in this bedroom. You will also have walkable space even after placing your beds, and in this common bedroom you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get a walk-in wardrobe space where you can customize your wardrobe in this master bedroom, and this space is at your foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. Over here, we have your entrance to your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you can customize your TV unit. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. And in the master bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a 2.5 feet chhajja and railing. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Elegant Residences. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.